Mint Mobile currently has their 12 gigabyte plan for $15 per month for your first 3 months. Hey guys, quick video today. Wanted to let you know some updates on Mint Mobile. First, they're currently having a 40% off promotion. So they're going to take 40% off of the plan price for your first 3 months. Now, normally when you sign up for your first 3-month plan, they have a promotion where they were giving you the same monthly prices as the 12-month plan. But for a limited time, what they've done is they've reduced the price on your initial 3-month plan to $15, regardless of whether you choose the 3, 8, or 12 gigabyte plan. Now, after your first 3 months, the price will go up to whatever the normal price is for that plan. You'll see down here on the 12 gigabyte plan, that's $45 per month. So if you're interested in trying out Mint Mobile, it's a great time to do it. You can get 3 months of the 12 gigabyte plan for $45. Now, second, I wanted to show you the Mint Mobile SIM kit. After I made my last video, I decided I was going to do a review of Mint Mobile. I ordered the SIM kit. Now, this offer that I just told you about wasn't going on at the time that I ordered mine, so I ordered the 3 gigabyte kit. I received a FedEx package with these two things in it. So first, I have the SIM kit, and let's take a look at that. I'm going to open that up here. Let the savings begin. Welcome to the Fox side. A lot of marketing materials here, very nicely done, very colorful graphics, kind of cute presentation there with some instructions. Before you activate, check out our videos, what you need to do if you want to keep your number, check your phone compatibility, and then here's the SIM card. This is probably one of the most colorful or artistic SIM cards I've ever seen, with the picture here of the fox. Looks pretty cool. Guess he's dressed up as a kind of a mad scientist there. They give you the SIM ejection tool for your phone. Instructions on how to activate, punch out the SIM, insert your SIM, activate your SIM, and the links you need to go to. And then a reminder that you can watch the videos. Now, I haven't had a chance to activate this yet. I'm going to activate this SIM and put it in my Google Pixel 3, and then I'll use it for a while, and I'll be back to tell you guys what I think of that. Now, next up, I wanted to show you this other thing that they sent. It's the Share the Love kit. So it's a free 7-day trial. And I think this is a really cool marketing promotion they've done to try and get more customers. So when you sign up, they're going to give you this 7-day free trial kit, and you could gift it to somebody. Now, this was taped shut, and when I didn't realize that, and I ripped it when I was trying to open it, but let's check out what we got here. So get started in 3 easy steps. You can download the Mint Mobile app, check your phone compatibility, have some videos. You can give this free trial to whoever you want. Both you guys are going to get a renewal credit. Now, it looks like this comes with 7 days of service, 250 megabytes of data, 250 texts, and 250 minutes of talk. And then you'll see here, it's 250 minutes of talk. I see what you did there. It's minutes instead of minutes. And then in here, it looks like, oh, actually in here, there's 2 SIMs. So the first one is the trial SIM. And then the second one is if you want to sign up for the full plans. You use the trial SIM just for the first 7 days. And then if you want to move over to a plan, you actually pay for the full plan. All right, now looking here, I don't see a second SIM tool in the kit here. So I guess you just need to share the SIM ejection tool between you and whoever you give this Share the Love kit to. So they really did a nice job on this. I look forward to activating my plan, and then I'll be back with some videos to tell you guys about it. But if you are interested in trying out Mint Mobile, you can try out the 12 gigabyte plan for $15 per month for 3 months. So that's $45 total. I'll have a link in the description below. All right, that's going to be it for this video, and I will be back again very soon.